just watched the interview with Michail Antonio. Yeah, wonderful interview. As I have to say, big up Simon and the job that you're doing so far. I have to say, real respect for that. But you don't know, Simon cut out for that theme thing that. Anyways, so Michail Antonio saying he's feeling confident, looking for another trophy. It's big, you know, people. He's feeling confident, looking for another trophy. So the quality, hopefully the quality that he has, it can really push us, the Reggae boys, into propelling us into getting our first Gold Cup. Historic. So good to know that we have some players in the team who knows what it is to win trophy. Boza, Bobby Reed, Demari Gray, Michail Antonio, all of these players knows what it is like to win trophy. So we know, so we're gonna push for a serious cup run this time around. Anyway, so apparently all the team has trained now. Lee and Bailey, I know a lot of you guys are asking where, because they watch the training session. I personally was looking, I didn't really see Lee and Bailey. So Lee and Bailey, Bobby Reed, Michail Antonio, all the players, just with the exception of Ethan Pinnock, all the players that everyone was looking out for to see if they arrive in camp. They are in camp and they had the first training session. I do believe, though, I'm still a bit worried where chemistry is concerned and fitness, because you know the players them just coming off them vacation, who belly big, who nyam up them party when they at Jamaica, and beef steak and something up on vacation. That's just that's just a little bit of work for me. But as Michail Antonio said, he's feeling confident, so I do think that we as fans as well should have a little bit of confidence in the team. So certainly we're looking forward to see what's gonna happen. So it's great news. Everyone has trained. I'm not sure if the 2 training session, maybe another training session tomorrow. Maybe another training session tomorrow, but I'm not sure if it's not sufficient. I don't know if we get the players them sharp, get them understand what's needed for the system. I don't know, maybe it's a same 4-4-2. It's quite similar. But looking forward to see what's gonna happen. Looking forward to see more training videos, more interviews. Looking forward to see the Demari Gray interview as well. Big up people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Players are there, players are working hard, trying to get sharper. Big up people, MG Sports TV. Road. Boom.